In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use Freepik AI to turn any image into a beautiful cartoon, step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. First, open your browser and visit the Freepik AI website. If you don't already have an account, click sign up and create one using your Google account and Apple ID or email address. If you already have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Freepik dashboard. On the left side, look for the AI tools section and open the AI image generator. Here you'll find multiple creative features, but today we're focusing on converting a real photo into a cartoon. Click the upload image button and choose the photo you want to transform. For the best results, use a clear, high-resolution image with good lighting and the subject facing the camera. After your image uploads, locate the prompt box. This is where you tell the AI what style you want. Instead of writing only cartoon, be more descriptive. For example, convert this portrait into a colorful 3D cartoon with Pixar style lighting, smooth skin, expressive eyes, vibrant colors, and a clean background. A detailed prompt helps the AI understand exactly what you're looking for and usually produces much better results. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio and image quality. If you're using free credits, it's a good idea to start with the default settings to save credits while still getting excellent quality. Now click generate and wait a few seconds while Freepik AI creates your cartoon image. Once it's finished, compare the result with your original photo. If you'd like a different look, simply edit your prompt. You can try anime style, Disney-inspired art, comic book illustration, a watercolor painting, or realistic 3D animation. Even small prompt changes can create completely different artistic styles. When you're happy with the result, click download to save your cartoon image. You can use it for your social media profile, YouTube thumbnail, gaming avatar, or even personal branding. And that's how easy it is to convert any image into an amazing cartoon using Freepik AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.